What's up, everyone? Madam here. I am back, sort of, but feeling much better, and I am ready to trade in some corn that I just harvested. So I've been waiting a good week to get enough claims to harvest some corn. So I ended up getting 20 from three different plots. So I'm going to go ahead and try to bulk burn those on Atomic Hub to again try to find that threshold at which you can bulk burn in Atomic Hub, because I know for some people it wasn't working. They were getting some kind of error, but so far every time I've done it, it's worked. So let's give it a try here and see what happens. So if I go to my chest, you can see I have 20 corns. So those are going to be over in my Atomic Hub inventory. Let me move this over. Okay, and I'm going to drill it down to just the corns so I can easily select them all. So there is 20 corns here. Okay, so I'm going to click one, select all, and then I'm going to go under actions and go to transfer. And I am going to transfer to Farmers World. Make sure it's spelled correctly with the memo burn. So let's see what happens. Confirm. No errors yet. All right, see, successful. So I'm not quite sure what the issue might be for other people. Maybe they're trying like 60 and we're still below the threshold. So as far as we know, 20 up to 20 still works. So let's go back over to Farmers World and click refresh and see how much gold we got. So we had what, 17? Okay, we'll log in. I always like to figure out what the average is that I got per corn to see if I'm doing good. Okay, so now we have 1,047. So we got 1130 out of 20. So we got 56.5 average per corn. They say the reward rate is, not the reward rate, but the exchange rate is 60. So we're a little bit below average, but we still got a healthy chunk of gold. And if you go over on Alcor right now, gold is actually higher than wood. So that's a pretty interesting turn of events. I personally feel like maybe more people are getting into either, affording mining excavators or getting into farm plots. So that's kind of where I am with my farm right now. I have 2 farms going. With this gold harvest, I'm going to be able to buy enough seed to farm 2 plots now. I just have to figure out the food situation. So that will be what I'll be exploring this week. So stay tuned and I'll do a follow-up video. Subscribe to my channel for more Farmers World updates and how-tos.